Tiger fam, today we're going to get into this herbal pre-poo treatment using flaxseed gel. If you saw this previous video, you know this gel is so helpful for your hair care routine. But the star ingredient today goes by many names, including Indian soapberry, reetha, aritha, soapnut, and washnut. Soapberry has been used for many centuries in hair care, especially in traditional shampoos like Ayurvedic recipes and all over the continent due to its natural foaming properties and benefits, like the fact that soapberries are rich in saponins, which provide natural cleansing properties. This means it removes dirt and excess oil from your scalp without stripping away your natural oils. It also has antifungal and antibacterial properties which help maintain a healthy scalp and prevent dandruff. Soapberry enhances the natural shine of your hair, making it look healthier and stronger, and it helps strengthen your hair follicles, potentially reducing hair fall. The seed kernels of soapberry are a rich source of proteins and show a balanced amino acid composition with some vitamin E too. Adjust the proportions of soapnut powder and flaxseed gel based on your hair length and type. See what ratio works best for you. Detangling has its own set of benefits. The most important benefit is length retention for me. Routine detangling can help minimize breakage and ensure your curls maintain their length. After all, the more knots you have, the more difficult it is to comb through your hair without breaking strands. Staying on top of detangling can lead to longer, shinier locks. After you detangle with your pre-poo, you can use water to add extra slip. Put your hair in twist and leave it in for at least 20 to 30 minutes and you are ready for your wash day. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural hair care tips. See you next time.